Hello everyone, my name is Olalekan Israel, a Prepclass English tutor. I am a graduate of English from one of the most prestigious universities in Nigeria. I have 5 years experience in teaching English to learners across different secondary school classes, and I am excited to inform you that the Prepclass YouTube Learning Program is back, and this time we've put a lot in place to attend to various exam and test problems. Prepclass is an edutech company whose focus is connecting learners with skilled and experienced tutors. On our YouTube learning channels, we focus on solving top entry exam questions. We provide subject-based educational content. We also provide easy but effective exam hacks. Check out our various YouTube channels for resources that suit and fit your educational and learning needs. I will be looking forward to having you join us. Subscribe, like, and turn on the post notification on all Prepclass YouTube channels, and we will be excited to connect with you through the comment section and on our WhatsApp platform. Thank you.